How to add gift card on Shein. First you will need to do is to open your Shein app on your phone. Then after you open it, go to your cart and check out something from your cart. After you chose the things you want to check out, then I want you to do is to scroll down. After you did scroll down, you will some payment methods, but the thing we want to see more is the apply coupon. After you scroll down, you will see the apply coupon. Below the apply coupon is you will see your points and the thing that we want, that is gift card. Then, after you click the gift card, you will supposed to see the card number and PIN. Just fill up the necessary details, then click apply, but be aware that the purchase amount will be deducted from the gift card once you click the apply button. And that's basically it, that how you add a gift card on Shein app. So that's all for this video. Hope you learned something new with me today in this video. Thank you.